It's another beautiful day again on these episodes of Linux for Hackers. So in this video I'll be showing you how to unzip the Rockyou.txt file, which contains thousands of passwords, okay, that we use usually for ethical hacking. Okay, so let's dive into that. Okay, so you want to open up your terminal. Okay, so once you open up your terminal, you need to go to where the Rockyou password list is stored, which is just type in cd /user /share /word list like that. Okay, press enter. Okay, ls to view what's in the directory. Okay, so now you've seen mine is already extracted, but yours will look like something like this here. Okay, so meaning it's not extracted, it will have a gz at the end that will tell you that it's not extracted. Okay, so now what you need to do here is you just need to type it sudo, okay, space gzip -d, then you specify this here. So this is the location. As you can see here, I have it, which is /user /share /wordlist Rockyou.txt.gz. so it will be exact, this name here .gz will be here, like in the video or like in this picture up here. Okay, so now if you press enter, it will ask you to put in your password. Okay, for me it won't work now because it's extracted, but once you put in your password, okay, so for me it's refusing because there's no file called gz. Okay, so once you do that, it will extract it. Then when you say ls, press enter, you should see it in form of that. So meaning now you are up and running to use it, and you can use it at any time in all your projects and everything. Okay, so that's all for that video. So if you want to check out more on Linux, especially Kali Linux, okay, the one we'll be using, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You can also share it with a friend. Okay, so in other episodes for Linux for Hackers in this series, we'll be looking at a lot of tools and you don't want to miss out. So make sure you subscribe so that we dance like our Minecraft, which has popped up on the screen. Thanks for watching. Peace out.